Hello children, welcome back. Hope you're all fine and safe. Children, in this class, it is just like recap whatever we have studied in our live class, okay? We are going to recall about the development of embryo, okay? Fertilization, it results in the formation of zygote, okay? And it is the beginning stage of embryo, okay? Just to fertilize the egg is called as the zygote, and that is the beginning stage of embryo, and it keeps on dividing. Okay, it keeps on dividing and forms a ball like structure. Okay, it keeps on dividing and forms a ball like structure. Okay, and these cells in a ball, it gets differentiated into different tissues and organs of the body. Okay, this ball only will get differentiated into different tissues and organs of the body. Okay, and the developing structure of the zygote is called as the embryo, and it is seen attached to the wall of the uterus. Okay, it gets embedded. Okay, it gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for the further development. It keeps attaching to the wall of the uterus for the further development of the baby. Okay, and the embryo, it keeps developing in the uterus. Okay, it keeps developing and different organs will start growing, and it gets differentiated like hand, leg, head, eyes, ears, nose. Okay, the external organs will start developing, and also the internal organs also will start developing. Okay, and once all the organs have started developing, this stage of embryo is called as the fetus. Okay, after the development of the organs in the embryo, that stage, after that it is called as the fetus. Okay, what does fetus means? It means that the development is complete. Okay, and the mother can give birth to the baby. Once everything full-fledged it is ready, then it means that the baby is grown fully and it can come out. The baby can come out. Okay, and this is about the embryo. Okay, children, and I remember telling you there are two types of fertilization. One is internal fertilization and the external fertilization. Okay, even in the case of in the case of internal fertilization, which happens in hen, okay, but it cannot give birth like human being. Okay, like human being, cow, goat, birds cannot give birth to the young ones. Okay, so after fertilization in the zygote stage, they give birth. You know, it travels from the oviduct, and it has the protecting layer, like we have a hard shell, and there is one more layer, namely the protective layer inside. Okay, and it lays egg, and it takes solid 21 days for the development of the embryo in the case of chick. Okay, the incubation period of chick, it is 21 days. Okay, the mother hen, it sits on the egg, it gives warmness, it incubate the egg, and it'll make the egg to get developed. Okay, and once everything is formed, the shell will break up and the chick comes out. Okay, this is what in the case of the birds. Okay, and in the case of the other animals where there is external fertilization, sometimes it takes place externally from the female body. It will not take place inside the female body. It takes place externally. Okay, and the embryo, it starts growing. Okay, it starts growing, and then the egg hatches, and a number of young ones comes out. In the case of frog, it is tadpole and it keeps varying for other animals. This is in the case of external fertilization. Internal fertilization, it takes place inside the mother's body. Okay, even if there is internal fertilization, in the case of apes, the fertilized egg will be laid down. Okay, but in the case of frog, what happens? It is external fertilization where the egg and the sperm will get meet with each other in the water where they survive. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.